Please. Again. Once more.
Is there something wrong?
Cough once more.
Is everything okay?
I think so. Hold on 1 minute.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, no, don't worry. This is my associate, Dr. Wells.
Oh, okay.
Doctor, feel these, please.
Cough, please. Again. Again. Now a big one.
Is there some problem?
One more time. What do you think?
It's tough to say. Cough, please.
One more for me.
Now for me.
Let's get the nurse.
Nurse, see if you can feel this right. Go ahead and cough, Mr. Harris.
I see. Cough, please. Cough.
Let's see, Mr. Harris. Hey, who the hell are you?
Okay, beat it. The gig's up.
Meet you at the cough.